again, do it again, do it again. Hardly, I hardly watch TV, I hardly watch TV. Rather, I would rather go home, I would rather go home. Honestly, I honestly don't know, I honestly don't know. Normally, I don't normally lie, I don't normally lie. Suddenly, her eyes suddenly filled with tears, her eyes suddenly filled with tears. Currently, she is currently in danger, she is currently in danger. Ahead, please go ahead, please go ahead. Almost, I am almost finished, I am almost finished. Highly, I recommended it highly, I recommended it highly. Exactly, I don't know exactly, I don't know exactly. Likely, it's likely a mistake, it's likely a mistake. Slowly, I have to walk slowly, I have to walk slowly. Eventually, I will find out eventually, I will find out eventually. Fairly, I am fairly sure it will work, I am fairly sure it will work. Easily, I don't cry easily, I don't cry easily. Primarily, baseball is primarily a summer game, baseball is primarily a summer game. Thus, hold the seats thus, hold the seats thus. Else, I need something else, I need something else. Somewhat, he was somewhat excited, he was somewhat excited. Especially, I especially like rock music, I especially like rock music. Equally, you have to share the cake equally, you have to share the cake equally. Ever, I am as busy as ever, I am as busy as ever. Immediately, I wrote him immediately, I wrote him immediately. Altogether, the noise has altogether stopped. Extremely, I am extremely tired, I am extremely tired. Automatically, the doors open and close automatically, the doors open and close automatically. Finally, I finally got a job, I finally got a job. Deeply, her lies hurt my father deeply, her lies hurt my father deeply. Constantly, she watches TV constantly, she watches TV constantly. Strongly, I strongly advise you to use this. Properly, let's do this properly, let's do this properly. Deliberately, I did not do it deliberately, I did not do it deliberately. Soon, it will rain soon, it will rain soon. Relatively, she speaks relatively fast, She speaks relatively fast. Certainly. I certainly don't blame you. I certainly don't blame you. Specifically. She mentioned you specifically. She mentioned you specifically. Generally. I generally agree with her. I generally agree with her. Ultimately. Who is ultimately responsible for this? Who is ultimately responsible for this? Directly. Can I talk to you directly? Can I talk to you directly? Widely. She is widely known. She is widely known. Below. Please read the text below. Please read the text below. Recently. I went there recently. I went there recently. Already. I already did that. I already did that. Probably. I should probably go. I should probably go. Slightly. I am slightly busy. I am slightly busy. Quickly. Come here quickly. Come here quickly. I finished the video here today. If you like the video, please like or comment. And if you can, share the video with your friends. If you want to learn English, you have to practice regularly and learn new sentences. Otherwise, it is not possible to speak English because the practice is the key to success. So, practice regularly. Stay well and keep learning English with me.